Got that again. That went very strange there. Hi there. What I thought I would do is take you guys through some of the websites that you could actually get. Now, I'm not saying these are going to be huge. There's just a basic capture page. This is actually for barbershops. So if you bear with us a little bit, I'll show you what the whole thing is. So you've got your capture pages, which basically any customers that come to your site, you offer them a free giveaway, and from the free giveaway, they can then click. Now, this means that you've actually got them on your database, and you can leave them out anytime you want. That's all that comes free with part of this little lot. Now then, we've also got an SEO report you can get. Download, there's a free download here for you if you'd like to get it, which you can go through and check all of your own SEO. If you'd like an SEO report, it's £10. Don't worry about that. Completely up to you if you want or not. And this is the main part. So, this would be build a website for yourselves. We do actually deal with the ways where we can build them for you and whatnot. Now, when you're building a website for yourself, you're going to get all of this for business and all of this stuff as well, which I would suggest you have a click through because it's very, there's a lot to it. If you want a tailored solution, give us a shout. We'll help you with that. Now, all this actually comes at $29.90 per month, or if you just want the basic one, which will just be a website without all the rest of the stuff, then you're only talking $9.90 a month, and the barbershop done for you. Drop us a line on that one, and we'll go through it. So this will get you ranked number one because the SEO is very, very easy to do. I can show you how simple the SEO is. So my computer seems to be going mad at the minute. So the SEO all goes into here, and you can basically, goes into here. As you do sitemap, website settings, user management, user registration, you can set up coupons, you can have a paid part. What I would personally suggest is, say for example, a free download of 10 tips to keep your hair spot on. As you can see, I don't have that problem. I just made it, which I could do with 10 tips on how to not make it so great. In any case, if this sounds of interest to you, drop me a line or click on the link if you're on YouTube. Send us a shout and we can get straight on with it and see what you think. Obviously, as I said, $29 a month, and you get all sorts. And you actually get, I'll show you something else as well. These are just some of the sites I'm on with at the minute. So this will be your back end. So basically you click websites and you just have more designs you can shake a stick at. Sales funnels are huge. I would always suggest using sales funnels because if somebody's like yesterday I wanted the beard trim, which they took off lots of beards. So I was looking for beard trim. So I typed in beard trim. Obviously, nobody really come up top on Google, which was a bit strange because it's very, very easy to rank. I'll also show you how to rank your videos number one for your area and that sort of business. That just comes as freebie. That just gets downloaded by yourselves. So you would have all these to choose from. There's literally thousands of the things. Then on the back end, you've also got, this also works for mobile, obviously. You've got your canvas, which will lay out the way you want your funnels working, which obviously funnels, website tells people basically what your business is about. Funnels makes you money. You've got Mail and Boss. What this does, it'll keep all your mailings all right. Loads of tutorials on it. And everybody who signs up will enter straight there. You also, on the back end, have videos, so you can make animated videos, floating videos, all sorts. You can build a hairdresser app, but I'll come on to that. Sorry, I'm on something different. You can do browser notifications. So if you've got a special on and somebody signed up for your browser notifications, that notification will actually come up in the corner of their page on whatever page they're looking at. So you don't need to be checking their emails, don't need to be doing nothing. You have SEO on site reporting tool. You have ClickMap, which is excellent. This ClickMap normally retails, I think it's going for about $45 a month, but you get this in free. What this does, it actually shows you exactly where people's clicking on your website, so it helps with your optimizing. Your chat reviews, don't worry about that too much. Auto post. At the minute, social media is huge. Obviously, you want to be kept up to date with your social media. This will post everything automatically for you. So at the beginning of the week, you set up your full week's postings, optimize all your keywords, everything else, done. You've also got a script generator, social proof, strangely mighty things here, so I can't remember what that actually says, but it's loads, like just ridiculous. And you get all of this for the $29. So, hope it's been of help. Like I say, click the link or send us a message, and we'll get straight back to you, or just go straight into it. As I say, I build loads of sites myself. I've got lots of sites ranked number 1, like tattoo sites and all that sort of business. And we have a large social media following as well. So if you need any help with that, we can help you with that. So far, I've got about 10,000 on each social media platform, I believe it is. So that's all I've got to say for today. So I hope that's helped, and speak to all you barbers very, very soon. Cheers. Goodbye.